Three position synthesis of 4-bar mechanism. So the question will be synthesize a 4-bar mechanism such that the input angles are 50 and 80 degree, for which the output angles will be 40 and 75. So there will be two sets of input and output angle. The angle between the first and second position of the input link will be 50. First and third position will be 80. Similarly, the angle between the first and second position of the output link will be 40, and first and third position of the output link will be 75. So these steps are similar to two position synthesis. So I am starting with the fixed link. So I am taking any length, let it be 35. Okay. So it's a fixed link. So I am showing it in thick line and marking the points as A, D. Okay. I am drawing the output link at any angle and any length. Let it be 30. And marking the endpoint as C1, which is the first position. So I am taking the first output angle of 40 degree and drawing an arc from C1 at an angle of 40 degree with center as D. And joining this point, okay, and marking that point as C2. That is the second position. So here the angle between the first and the second position is 40 degree. Now join A, C2 and take the first set of input angle, which is 50 degree, and draw an arc with center as A and radius as C2. So the angle is 50 degree. So I am joining A and the endpoint of that arc, which is C2 dash. Now join C1, C2 dash and draw a perpendicular bisector of C1, C2 dash. Show that line as a dotted line and name it as NC1. That is the first perpendicular bisector. These are the steps similar to two position synthesis. Okay. Now the same steps is followed for the second set of angles. Okay. So I am marking the first set of input angle as 50. Okay. Now starting with the second set of angles, and the procedure is same. So I am taking and drawing an arc at an angle of 75 degree with center as D and radius as DC1. And the angle is 75 degree. Okay. And the end point of the arc will be the third position. So I am marking it as C3. So the angle I have taken is 75. Now join AC3 and select the second input angle, that is 80 degree, and draw an arc with center as A and radius as AC3. So I'm drawing 80. Okay, and joining point A and the end point of the arc, which is C3 dash. Now join C1 and C3 dash and draw the perpendicular bisector of C3 dash. Sorry, C1 C3 dash. And show that line as a dotted line. Okay. So mark the angle. That is the second angle, that is 80 degree. And mark that perpendicular bisector as NC2, which is the second perpendicular bisector. So you can see that the two perpendicular bisector meet at a common point, and that point is called as B. So I am marking it as B. Okay. Now join AB and BC1. AB and BC1. Okay. So ABC1D, which will be the required mechanism, which I am showing it in red color. Okay. So this is how 3-position synthesis of 4-bar mechanism is done. Thank you.